Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to take you through a shoulder triple set. So you have your table of gains here. You're going to go through a heavy exercise, a lighter exercise, and then a mobility exercise, and it's all going to be done in one go. So Natalie's going to grab the heaviest dumbbells first of all. She's going to keep these ones nice and close to the body, and then press up this way, keeping the hands turned that way. So this is your strength element here. Belly is tight the whole time. You're not leaning back like this to press them. You do 5 reps like that. Then when you've done your 5, immediately you set them down. You then grab the lighter dumbbells, and then you go out for a wider grip here. Slow and controlled, pressing up that way. So now the hands are facing this way. So for the first set, you're like this, pressing up, keeping everything nice and close for your strongest. Next, you're out here, and then after your 10, nice and slow and controlled, you're then going to go for your banded dislocates, which I've posted about before, which are a phenomenal exercise to get all of the muscles in the shoulder working and to get the blood pumping as well. So this will not only help to flush the muscles, but it will also help the recovery the day after as well. So you won't be as sore, so you'll be able to hit this again. So you do this all in one go, and then you take a 1-minute break and you hit it again, and you aim to do 5 sets of that. If you're more advanced, maybe go for 7 sets. Okay guys?